Today I am going to show you how to get natural glow and clearer skin using aloe vera gel. This comprises of 5 methods: cleansing, scrubbing, moisturizing, ice massaging and rejuvenating. Let me show you how to do it step by step. First, we will extract the aloe vera gel. To know in detail how to extract aloe vera gel, watch my video whose link I have provided in the description box. You can either cut the aloe vera in chunks like this and grind it, or you can extract the gel slowly by spoon like this. Apply the residue aloe vera gel on your hands and massage. It is the best natural moisturizer for your skin. So as you have seen, I have extracted the aloe vera gel. Now I'll strain it. We'll strain it a little more because we'll be needing it in our every step. To get the even consistency, we have strained the aloe vera gel. So for cleansing, we'll be needing 1 teaspoon of our daily cleanser and 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Now mix it well. First of all, we'll spread this cleanser on our face and we'll do light massage. Now rinse your face with water and pat dry. Now we'll do scrubbing. By doing scrubbing, you can clean the pores and it removes the accumulated dirt and dead layer of your skin. For scrubbing, we are taking 1 teaspoon of coffee powder and 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Now mix it well. Be very careful while using coffee scrub because it may stain your clothes. Now keep this for 5 to 10 minutes until it is dry. This will be very sticky because we have used coffee and aloe vera gel in it. Now as you can see, it has dried, so I'll wash it off. Make sure that you wet dry your face rather than rubbing it and making it more dry. Now we'll do moisturizing. For moisturizing, we need 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Here I am using cold pressed coconut oil. You can use cold pressed coconut oil or virgin coconut oil and 1 to 2 drops of any essential oil. I am using orange essential oil You can use any of your favorite essential oil. Mix it well. Both these ingredients will take a while to mix, so have a little bit of patience. Wet your skin like this before massaging so that it can improve the blood circulation. Put it in our palm, rub your palms and slowly massage it on your face. Massage your face for 10 minutes. Again, tap your skin lightly. Now leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Now after 15 to 20 minutes, keep a hot towel on your face for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, wipe your face with it. Now we'll do aloe vera ice massaging. In this method, we'll be massaging our face with this aloe vera cube. Ice massaging promotes healthy blood circulation and closes the open pores. Plus, aloe vera in ice cubes moisturizes our skin. As I had shown you in my aloe vera preservation method, I have preserved aloe vera gel by freezing it in an ice tray. If you haven't seen my aloe vera preservation video yet, I would recommend you to watch it first. The link is mentioned in the description box below. Massage your face with aloe vera ice cube for about 1 minute in a circular motion like this. Use a dry tissue to soak the excess aloe vera gel from your face like this. Now it's time to rejuvenate your skin. For that, we will prepare aloe vera gel and rose water face mist. For this, we require 1 tablespoon of freshly extracted aloe vera gel, 1/4 cup of rose water and 1 empty spray bottle. Pour 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel and 60 ml rose water in the spray bottle. Now we'll close it and shake it properly so that all the ingredients mix well. At the end, spray this face mist made up from aloe vera gel and rose water and you are done. If you want natural glow and clearer skin, do follow this method once a week. As everything used in these methods is natural, there are no side effects. If you found these tips helpful and would want more videos regarding similar skincare tips, do mention in the comment box below. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.